So along the bottom, the fourth tab in is the search icon, which is really useful for looking for anything really specific that you need. You can see there's popular searches available to you, such as Tipboard and My Day, where to order food, restrooms, etc. Now imagine you're in the Magic Kingdom, it's a boiling hot day, and you've heard wonderful things about Dole Whip. So I'm just going to type in the search bar for Dole Whip and search, and it gives you a list of places that sell Dole Whip. Now, for the example I'm giving you, imagine you're in the Magic Kingdom Park. So I click on Aloha Isle, and it gives me options. Now, I can find it on the map, get directions, view the menu, or I can look for the times that it's open. So do check in with the app because this might alter what type of dining experience it is. In this instance, quick service, the type of cuisine it is, and also a little information at the bottom if you have no idea what a Dole Whip is. Now, if you click on Find on Map, this is really useful just for context to show you exactly where it's located in the Magic Kingdom. You can zoom in specifically, or you can zoom right out just to see exactly where it's located. Now, in the actual app as well, it gives you the option for getting directions. So if you are within the Magic Kingdom, it will pick up your specific location and direct you directly to Aloha Isle, depending on where you are in the park. Furthermore, you can look at the menu. So if you tap View Menu, you can look at all the options available and the current prices to give you an idea before you get there of perhaps what you want to buy. So do check in with that again because that might change. Now, another example I'd like to give you is the Haunted Mansion. The movie's just come out and you might have heard that there's a link to the Haunted Mansion ride in Magic Kingdom, which is a classic. So if you want to find out more information about it, simply click on the ride, and this can be for any ride in any of the parks. And as you can see, it gives you a lot of information that's really useful. It shows you the standby wait time, which as you can see now is 55 minutes. Forecasted wait times for the day, which again is really useful. You can see it gets quieter toward the end of the day. If it's a lightning lane option, it will show up there as it just did. Find on the map, again, wherever you are located, you can quickly scan right out to have a whole map view of Magic Kingdom to see where it is. If you are really lost and you need specific directions, click Get Directions, and that will take you directly to the ride, again, just like Google Maps. Now, the really useful thing with searching for rides using this option, you can quickly find out guests can be what height are required, any ages, the type of ride it is, and the hours that this ride is open. So again, depending on your party, this might be really useful information for you to see if it's an appropriate ride for you and your party. It also gives you information such as if the ride will be closed during your visit due to routine refurbishment, or updated information throughout the day, as well as information about the actual ride, a little backstory to it for you.